Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, students. I welcome you all to Nasra Public School online teaching system. Week 3, Class 8, Subject Computer, Chapter number 1, the Data Processing Life Cycle. Students, this is the continuation of the same lecture which we have studied previously. Before starting this lecture, let's discuss the students' learning outcome. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to define the three ways of processing data, and they will be able to explain sorted data, grouped data, and calculations. Now, different forms of processed data. There are three ways of processing data: sorted data, grouped data, and calculations. Number one, sorted data. Data is arranged in an specific order: alphabetical, ascending, and descending order. Let's take this example of sorted data. We have two columns. On left hand side, you can see a column where the names of the students are just put it randomly, but on the right hand side, you can see the names are arranged in alphabetical order. So by sorting data in this manner, we can locate our desired data more easily rather than just having our data in random order. So now you get an understanding that what sorted data is. Let's see another example. Again, on the left hand side, the numbers are put randomly. As you can see, there is 4, 2, but we know that 2 is smaller than 4, but still it comes after 4. So here we have again on left hand side randomly putted data. But as you can see, on right hand side, the data is arranged in ascending order. So you can see there is number 1 on the first place, 2 on the second, 4 on the third, 9 on the fourth, 11 on the fifth, and 22 on the sixth position. Now, as you have seen in the previous slide, that data is arranged in ascending order, but we can also arrange the data in descending order. Here we have the same numbers on left hand side put it randomly, but on right hand side these numbers are sorted in descending order. As you can see, 22nd on first, 11 on second, 9 on third, 4 on the fourth position, 2 fifth position, and 1 on the last sixth position. So now you have an understanding about what sorted data is. Now let's see on group data. Let's have a look on group data. In group data, similar data items are arranged in groups. This makes it easier to locate data. As we can see on the left hand side, we have a section of ungrouped data where the numbers are just put it randomly. But on the right hand side, there's a column of group data where you can see the numbers are arranged in defined ranges. So it makes it easier to locate your desired data. Now let's have a look on calculating. We can add, subtract, multiply, and divide data. We can also use it to create graphs. Calculators are used to perform complex calculations. Now let's quickly summarize our today's lecture. There are three ways of processing data. Number 1, sorted. Number 2, group. And number 3, calculations. Now, the data is arranged in a specific order, which can be alphabetical, ascending, or descending order, which makes it easier to find your desired data. Similarly, data items can also arranged in groups. This also makes it easy to locate. We can also add, subtract, multiply, and divide data, and we can also use it to create a graph as needed. I hope you have understand today's lecture. Your assignment for this lecture is also posted separately, so do watch it and complete your assignment in your computer copies. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.